Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning guys. Welcome to Happy Channel. Okay, so today kita akan buat another fabrication coin cell. Okay, and last time we have problem with our fabrication. Okay, and we figure out that the size of the separator is actually smaller, so there's a tendency for the coin cell to be short circuit. Alright, so let's go. Aku tadi tunjuk pun ni. Okay, alright. So last time we use this kind of size. Okay, I think this one around 17 millimeter. Is it millimeter? Yeah, it's millimeter. Okay. So now we will use larger size, which is 19 millimeter. Right? Right. So as I know, everyone understand what is the purpose of separator. Okay, to separate between two electrodes to prevent the short circuit. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so basically we need to have the coin cell component. This one is positive case, and then we have negative case. Okay, like this one. All right. Don't forget to have your own you see this one. Okay, you see this the spacer. Okay, to improve the compression, and then we have the spring here. Okay, you see we actually bend much more. You see there's a wavy shape. Okay, because to allow a good contact between the electrode, right? And then don't forget to have your electrode. Okay, see, all right. And then our lithium metal, because we are fabricating the half cell battery.
So basically, the main problem that we encounter is we have a short circuit between. It might be between the electrode because of our separator is too small that enable a contact between positive and negative. That's why today we try to produce a bigger separator to avoid the short circuit. So as you can see, Dr. Amirul is doing the fabrication here. So the fabrication is already started. So we put our positive case and our material, because this is a half cell. So our material will be served as an anode, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
Yes, correct.
Yes. So now is Dr. Amirul separate our lithium source, which is lithium metal, as a negative electron. So let's see how it's done. Okay, this, as you can see, this is a bigger separator with a diameter around 19 millimeter. Before this, we are using 17. It's quite small. That's why it leads to a short circuit. So now, first of all, we immerse. Before that, we drop our electrolyte to the material. Just 2 drops to enable the wettability of the sample. Okay, next is the process of soaking the electrolyte. So the bigger separator will be soaked at the electrolyte, in the electrolyte around maybe 5 seconds. Okay, we can see that. Okay, carefully put on top of our sample. Okay, now you can see the difference. If the size is a 19 millimeter, it's very fixed to the cases, so no gap to allow the short circuit. So it's quite good to have a bigger separator. Next, put the lithium metal as a cathode. So basically now we have anode and cathode sandwiched together. And then just for better connection, we will put stainless steel. Okay, we will put the stainless steel on top of the lithium metal. Make sure it will center. Okay, and last but not least, the spring. All of this for the connection. So that's why Dr. Amirul said in the beginning, you should bend the spring. Okay, Okay, last but not least, we will put the negative cases. So carefully, make sure it's in the middle. Okay, now just we need to crimple it using the crimping machine. Okay, carefully put to the manual crimper. Okay, then we will do the crimping process. So if you don't have an automatic one, you can use a manual crimper, but it's a bit tedious. You can see the face of fatigue here, almost dying. So normally we set the pressure to 10 megapascal. So they have indicator there. So we just wait until the pressure increase to 10 MPa. So as you can see here, the indicator will rise to 10 millipascal, 10 megapascal. So now we just release the pressure and collect our coin cell. So now our coin cell is complete. So we will test the performance. Is it all good or not? Okay, thank you, Dr. Amiro. So hopefully.
Let's proceed with the IS analysis.
Okay, bye.